I'm introducing to a hunting camera. This is a 4G camera. It has a sensor in the front, so you guys can see your camera. Straps for the back, or you can mount this onto a mount. All right, it does have the threads for that. On the right, there's actually plug for the actual power supply, if you guys can see that. So this will be a type C power supply, and also you will be plugging in on the smaller version. You'll be plugging in the actual antenna for the wireless solar panel. Right now, once you set this up, there's a couple of things that you need to be aware. Once you program in this, because it's built-in card inside, right? It has built-in SIM card. You got to program it and set it up for your local provider, or if you want, there's optional cloud system and services that these do provide too. Mounts, 2 mounts. They give you 2 mounts. One for the actual camera if you want, or one's for the solar panel or the actual strap, right? And a long cable and to charge it. And of course, to lock it in place, right? So this is perfect to put it pretty much anywhere, any farms, any hunting areas, any open space, or even in your city. You could put it on high in a tree. If they keep breaking into cars, use it as a security camera. You can access it from anywhere as long as you got services, cell phone services. All right, so let's put this together right now and program it and see how it works. All right, you need to remove the cover in order to actually activate it. There's a reset button, there's a power button, and also the SIM area, SIM card, if you guys can see that. SIM card's already included with it. You got your off and on and reset, all right? So make sure you turn it on, and then we're gonna set up through the camera. There's a barcode I want you guys to see because that's what I'm gonna scan. Here we have it. We have it connected. You guys can see that. So we confirm. Let's go use it. This is the camera axis from here, right? You could record from here, directly from here. Your SD card playback, that means that you can watch all your recordings from here. You got your cloud backup, so if you have the services, you can do that. You could switch directions and flip the camera. If you don't have a good spot where you set up the camera, you can flip it around. If you guys notice, there's some movement going on right now, and we're able to capture this stuff from here. Now, if you ever want to go to settings, you go up here in the settings. It's going to ask you how much battery you have, time zone, and pretty much any alarms, notifications, images, device sharing, and so forth. You got all this stuff in here. You can always do factory reset and delete the whole entire camera. If you guys can see, it is capturing pretty good.